Guys, it is very shocking what we are seeing in the Bitcoin chart right now. If Bitcoin can do this one specific thing, we are going to see the price of Bitcoin going to 45,000 US dollar. And guys, is Ethereum right now preparing for a major breakout to the upside? And what is happening with the rest of the altcoin market? That is going to be the exact topic of today's video. So guys, right now, let's all take a moment before we are jumping into the content. Scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. And you guys are amazing. We are receiving so much engagement on the videos lately. So guys, that is awesome. But okay guys, today's video is going to be a very important video. Make sure you drop the like button and you subscribe to the channel down below. With that being said guys, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. And right now, let's jump into the content right after the quick sponsor of today's video.
So, you want to invest in the cryptocurrency market, but you don't know where to start? Welcome to the co-vesting module on PrimeXBT. The co-vesting module helps investors and talented cryptocurrency traders find each other. With an easy-to-use interface, you can compare and replicate successful strategies with a proven track record. You can follow multiple trading strategies to diversify your risk. Co-vesting module on PrimeXBT. They trade, you profit.
So guys, Bitcoin is going insane and remains in this stronger uptrend. And if Bitcoin is going to do this exact thing, then we are going to see Bitcoin's price reaching 45,000 US dollar in the near future. So we are going to have a look at these Fibonacci levels, guys. And these are the Fibonacci extensions levels, which have been getting respected by the Bitcoin price very, very significantly. So guys, when we are zooming in right on the price of Bitcoin, and let's go to the 4-hour time frame because it is better visible right here, then we can see already that the first time we have touched the Fibonacci level right here, the extension level of 227%, we experienced some resistance right there, right? The moment we broke above this level, we saw a pump in the Bitcoin price and we directly traveled straight to the next Fibonacci level right here at 241%. And guys, from that level, we are right now experiencing some resistance as well. So yeah, the prediction was right that from these Fibonacci levels, we are going to experience most likely some resistance. But it's also another part to the story, and that is the moment if we were to break above this Fibonacci level decisively, then that would mean that Bitcoin could go up to our next target, which is the next Fibonacci level right here at 261% right there, which is a Bitcoin level of 45,000 US dollar. So guys, if Bitcoin can break above the 241x Fibonacci extension level, which is at approximately 42,000 US dollars, then the next level Bitcoin going is to see most likely is 45,000 US dollar. Guys, that would be really insane if we just realized that in the middle of March 2020, we still have seen Bitcoin going to 4,000 US dollar. So if we measure the run we have seen so far, let's measure the run right here. If we were to go to 45,000 US dollar right here in the near future, that would mean that Bitcoin would have seen a rally of over 1000% without a severe correction of 30% plus. And guys, that is very, very insane because something like this, a move like this, 1,000 plus increase rally without a severe correction is not something we have seen in the previous bull market of 2016-2017. And guys, to celebrate that Bitcoin right now is trading back above 40,000 US dollar, I'm organizing a discount on my trading course. So right now, if you sign up for my cryptocurrency trading course, you will get a 50 US dollar discount with the code BTC40K. But guys, what is the other scenario what we are seeing with Bitcoin? We are seeing an insane rally, something we haven't seen for years. We haven't seen a situation like this for a couple of years. So that is actually quite crazy. And yeah, guys, I do want to highlight the other scenario as well. And for that, I would like to go to the weekly time frame and show you a bit how things are looking on the weekly time frame. So as you can see in the momentum indicator right here, we are at very, very overbought levels, at levels that we also haven't been seeing for years. Right now, the RSI on the weekly time frame is at approximately 96, and if we were to draw a horizontal line right there, then we can see that the previous time we have been this overbought was right here in 2012 and 2013. In the previous bull market, 2016 to 17, we haven't even seen the weekly RSI going as high as we are seeing right now. So guys, that is something to take in mind, because the previous time the RSI has reached such overbought levels, the Bitcoin price eventually corrected 80% or more. And I'm not going to tell you guys right now that we are going to see a 80% correction due to the fact that the RSI is at such overbought levels. However, guys, I do think that from the rally right here to the upside, eventually we are going to see a severe correction. And guys, that correction will provide us with a huge buying opportunity to buy and accumulate more Bitcoin for the longer term time frame. Then guys, let's have a look at Ethereum against the US dollar, because it looks like Ethereum right now is preparing for a breakout, and this is actually looking quite interesting. So right here on the 1 hour time frame, we are forming a triangle formation. We have a uptrending support, a declining resistance, but if we have a look at the momentum indicator, then we can see a clear declining resistance, which now and then can help us with determining where the momentum is going. Right now we are seeing that the price is actually moving sideways right here, creating a triangle formation, but the RSI is moving to the downside. So normally, guys, if we are not breaking any key support level, because this is a bearish divergence, right? We have a higher high in the price, lower high in the RSI. If we are not breaking any key support levels, then this is actually a bullish sign. This means that the RSI is actually resetting while the price is moving sideways, and the RSI is creating space for more bullish momentum. So guys, Ethereum in the US dollar comparative might provide us a nice opportunity right here. So if we were to break out to the downside out of this triangle formation decisively, then the target to the downside is the width of the triangle right here, put at the point of breakout, and you can see that the target would be at approximately, depending where we are breaking out of course, but approximately 1,000 US dollar. And guys, if Ethereum were to break out to the upside decisively, then the target to the upside is the width of the triangle, put at the point of breakout of course, then that would set the target at approximately 14,025. So guys, Ethereum right now in the US dollar comparative is looking quite interesting, and yeah, most likely is going to break out within the next couple of days out of this triangle formation. Then guys, let's have a look at Ethereum against Bitcoin, because I do think that right now we are actually seeing another opportunity occurring. So let's go to the daily time frame. Yeah, you know guys, I have been talking a lot about Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative, because right here we have been in such a long downtrend, but we have seen already a reversal from that downtrend into a new established uptrend, and we were trading in this uprising channel. And yeah, when we have seen this crazy rally in the Bitcoin price, we broke below this channel, we left this channel, but eventually right now we are trading back in this channel. And guys, that is actually quite bullish. That means that this was not a sustainable breakout to the downside, but that eventually we are trading back in this uprising channel. And guys, if we are zooming in right here on Ethereum against Bitcoin, and we have a look at what the price is doing right now, then the price is right now testing the lower support of the uprising channel. So guys, if we are going to see a bounce from this level, then this would be a great moment to accumulate some Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative and to swing trade it for more Bitcoin in the future. If we were to break below this support level decisively, then that would invalidate this trade of course, and that would show us that yeah, we might gonna see lower levels right here in Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative. But so far guys, it still looks Ethereum is in an uptrend, so therefore I think right now we are seeing some nice opportunities forming in Ethereum against US dollar, but as well in Ethereum against Bitcoin. Then guys, let's have a look at the following chart, which is Ripple against the US dollar. And I have been talking about Ripple guys right here when everybody was talking about the delisting on Coinbase. I've told you guys that yeah, most likely we are going to see a lot of bearish news from a lot of projects, and we are going to see capitulation on those projects, but eventually we are going to see the price recover again. So right here, the moment we broke the resistance XRP and the US dollar comparative, I told you guys that that is the moment that I'm opening a long position and I'm going to accumulate a Ripple in the US dollar comparative. And right now, this trade is up approximately 40%, guys. So this is actually an awesome trade. We even broke above this resistance level and backtested it as support. So that is actually nice, guys. And guys, this is something we are seeing in the markets. We are seeing sometimes bad news coming out, and we are seeing capitulation on certain altcoins. For example, like we have seen right here in Ripple. But guys, if you are seeing capitulation on a altcoin right here, depending on which altcoin, of course, of approximately 80%, then yeah, that should ring a bell that is a great buying opportunity. Of course, this does not count for every altcoin out there. However, guys, Ripple has been in the top 5 already for so long, and if one altcoin in the top 5 cryptocurrency list is going to see capitulation of a dump of 80%, while the rest of the cryptocurrency markets are not doing that, then I do see that as a buying opportunity, because I do think the chances are very likely that eventually the price will recover, as we are seeing right now. And guys, to be clear, I'm fundamentally totally not a fan of XRP. I don't think there is any fundamental value in this coin. I just look at this chart from a technical standpoint. Then guys, we are going to have a look at a couple of comments. So let's start off with this comment from my Gman68, and he's saying, if you are a hodler, how do you counteract a dump? So guys, I'm going to explain you a strategy which you could use to hedge against your hodl position, but this really depends how much of your wealth you are actually hodling. So let's say you are having 80% of your wealth in Bitcoin, which is actually really a lot. That means that when Bitcoin is fluctuating, your wealth is as well fluctuating, quite volatile, as we are seeing with Bitcoin. So guys, that means that if Bitcoin would dump 10%, yeah, your approximately wealth would dump 10% as well. So the thing what you could do is you could open an account at a leverage exchange and you can hedge your position. So the moment Bitcoin is breaking a very important key support level, that is the moment that you are using a very small part of your total allocation and you use that to open a short position. So you're hedging actually your hodl position. So when the price of Bitcoin is decreasing, you earn revenue with your short position. So your total wealth in US dollar terms is actually staying the same. So guys, let me show you what I mean right here. Let's go to Bitcoin against the US dollar. Let's go to the daily time frame. I just want to show a example. So let's say right here we have a important Fibonacci level right here, and yeah, let's say you expect that if Bitcoin is going to break this Fibonacci level, we are going to see a further dump in the price of Bitcoin. That is possible, but you don't want to switch your hodl position right here before we are breaking out to US dollars or to a stable coin, because you are hodling, right? So what you can do is you could use a margin platform for that, and the moment we are breaking below this level, below the support level, then you open a short position. And the moment you open a short position, you gain profit when Bitcoin is decreasing in value, as we are seeing right here. But you still have your same hodl position, because your hodl position will decrease in value as well, not in Bitcoin terms, but in US dollar terms. But you will make that revenue back with a short position right here when you are trading or when you are opening a short position with leverage. So guys, this is a perfect example, but you could short all the way down till right here. So you are hedging your holding position with a short position whenever the price is dumping. If the price is dumping and eventually we're breaking back above this level, then you can set a stop loss and you might have a slight loss, but eventually you protected your hodl position against a potential dump. So that is one of the strategies you could apply if you want to hedge your hodl position. But guys, if you are not an experienced trader, then I would definitely not recommend you to open a leverage short position to hedge your hodl position. And if you are hodling, let's say 20% of your wealth, then I would also not recommend to hedge that hodl position, because we all know that in the coming years Bitcoin is going to astronomical figures and that these dips are just shortly lived. Then guys, the next question is from Pano, and he's saying like, dear Mr. Blockchain, today I want to buy in and hold my position for a couple of years. I'm unsure if now at its peak is the right time to get in, as I think the hype is a little overkill at the moment. My question is, when the next drop is coming, what is a price you would consider worthy to buy in? So first of all, thank you Panu for asking this question. This is a question I'm getting so much recently, guys. I'm getting so much messages from a lot of people asking me, when should I need to buy Bitcoin? And yeah, right here, Panu is already saying it. He wants to hold his position for a couple of years. And if you are a long-term investor in Bitcoin, guys, it really doesn't matter where you are going to buy Bitcoin. From a couple of years from now, Bitcoin will be at way higher levels that we are seeing right now. If you are a trader, you are looking for a good entry point in the shorter term time frame. Right now, at this specific moment, I would say, yeah, of course, Bitcoin is actually very overextended. We are seeing the weekly RSI at overbought levels we haven't seen in many, many years. In over 8 years, we haven't seen the RSI being this overbought as we are seeing right now. So of course, right now Bitcoin is overbought and you might be buying the top. But if you are buying Bitcoin to hold for the longer term time frame, then yeah, definitely right now is still a good entry point, guys. But guys, if you would ask me what is a price you would consider worthy to buy if we are going to see a drop, then yeah, let's have a look at that, okay? So right here, we can see Bitcoin is just going parabolic. If we have a look at the previous bull market, then we can see that, yeah, normally the Bitcoin price is moving back to the 20-week moving average. So right here, let's bring up the 20-week moving average. Then we can see in the previous bull market, we can see we have a pump, price is moving back to the 20-week moving average, pump, price is moving back to the 20-week moving average. Right now, we are actually seeing something similar. The market structure is different right now than we have seen in the bull market 2016 to 17. So guys, is Bitcoin going to drop to the 20-week moving average? Well guys, that is very difficult to say because the market structure right now is just very different than the market structure we have seen in 2016, 2017. So guys, if Bitcoin is going to drop, which level should I be watching to buy Bitcoin? Well, first of all, that really depends on where Bitcoin is going to top out. So let's apply the Fibonacci level right here. If Bitcoin is going to top out at the levels we are seeing right now, then I definitely think I would have a nice buy order right here at the golden ratio, the 61.8%, which would align right now. Let me remove my screen right here, which would align right now at approximately $18,270. But guys, that is the level right now. It looks like Bitcoin is going to continue this rally, and it looks like we have not yet seen the top right here, which means that the levels, the Fibonacci levels right here, will also change when Bitcoin is going to higher levels. So guys, that's also what's making it so hard in this situation. We are seeing a massive rally and we are not yet seeing a top. And if Bitcoin is going to continue this rally in the pace we are seeing right now, that is just going to be crazy. So we can see a correction right here from the level of 42,000, but we can also travel up to 45, 50, 60,000 before we are going to see a correction. That's why when you are a long-term holder, guys, it is always a good time to accumulate Bitcoin. But guys, one of the levels that I'm definitely watching when I'm looking at Bitcoin right here on the daily time frame, if we were to see a correction, I do think, in my personal opinion, it is likely that eventually Bitcoin has to come down around the levels of $20,000 because we haven't backtested these levels as the new support. Bitcoin has just been going up. We haven't been coming down and testing former resistance levels as new support. And guys, that is normally a very important thing in a bull market, that resistance is turning into support. And right here, I do think 20,000 was quite a significant level. As you can see, the price also, when we broke above it, we saw a reaction in the price. So guys, that makes me think as well that eventually Bitcoin is going to come down and going to test this level. Guys, this is not a certainty, okay? This is just a potential scenario that, yeah, I do think that there is a chance Bitcoin is still coming down and is going to test the level of $20,000 as the new support. But guys, do take in mind that that could be a very shortly lived correction. If we have a look at the previous bull market, we can see this biowicks as well. So the price is dumping in a very short amount of time and Bitcoin is being bought up very quickly. So we are not trading that long around these levels. If we were to measure a retracement right now from the levels Bitcoin is trading, then let's calculate. If we would right now go back to the level, test the level of $20,000, that would mean we would see a drop of approximately 50% in the Bitcoin price. And guys, that is not so unrealistic if we have seen a rally of approximately 1000%. But guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you for providing these questions. I will address more of these questions in the coming videos. So if you have any questions you want to be answered, drop them in the comment section down below. Then guys, if you want to enroll for my cryptocurrency trading course, then right now you can enroll with a $50 discount if you use the code BTC40K. To celebrate that Bitcoin broke above $40,000, guys, this is a limited offer, so if you want to sign up, I definitely recommend you to do it today. I hope all of you enjoyed today's analysis. If so, guys, scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please do so. I'm uploading daily videos about the crypto markets. Then guys, I wish all of you an amazing day. For everyone who hasn't seen one of my amazing tutorials, you can go over there, watch one of those, and I will see all of you in the next video.